You don't play for Minerva anymore. Once you leave from here at 12 o'clock, you're representing India.
Yeah, first is Finland, second Sweden,
Yeah.
Gothenburg, then we have to go for Denmark, then Norway. There are 4 countries.
Then I'm saying you'll be back with 4 trophies. So what are your thoughts? Because I think we are not only scoring goals, we are changing perception of all the European people that Indians can do play football and good football.
Imagine you're playing in AC, you don't require any to give it your best, not इतना सारे नहीं छोड़ना.
Not long ago, a group of young footballers from India carried their dreams across continents. In Helsinki, they faced Europe's best for the very first time. They didn't return with a trophy, but they returned with something far greater: belief. Belief that Indian football could stand tall on the world stage. Now the stage shifts. The Gothia Cup, the world's largest youth football tournament. A new country, new rivals, and the same hunger to prove themselves again.
Ready for the first match of Gothia Cup, sir?
Yes, first match and new format, new day, new tournament. So we have to change our tactics and everything you will find from the last time when we came Gothia Cup. We were new to the format and new to the rules. Now we are aware and how we need to manage the games. The boys also know, because of this experience of Finland also is good for us, because we have seen the teams against us going in low block, and that was in the finals also of the Finland. You can see that PK 35 also, they were gone in low block. So we have to deal with this situation, which is sometimes time is less and it takes time to come out of that situation. So we need to we have planned and dealing with those situations. So let's see, the boys will do their job from starting from the first match. It's like we tell them, every game is a final game for them, so they have to play like a final and come out of that winning 3 points, and clean sheet is important.
Oh, Tamba, last time one of the best player of the tournament. कोई प्रेशर तेरे अंदर आज? कैसे खेलने वाला है इस बार?
अच्छा खेलेगा.
अच्छा तो खेलेगा, मतलब कुछ स्टंट प्लान किया है कुछ?
जीतेगा.
और अभी तक का कैसा है स्वीडन लास्ट टाइम और स्वीडन अभी को फर्क है या सेम वेदर सब कुछ सेम?
Last time better है.
लास्ट टाइम बेटर है अभी वेदर.
हाँ.
The boys are warming up right now. और इंटेंसिटी तो मस्त चल रही है.
PSG की पहली मूव क्या है? आजकल पहली मूव, PSG's first move is fucking hitting it long into the corner right there. Why? Because they can press them. And then because they're so confident that they'll win the ball there, even if they don't win the ball, all that other team can do is just rotate. Why? Because then you're pressing, all you can do is rotate, 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 rotate. You can't even think of scoring. So don't even think of that you lose the ball. So what if you lose the ball? But bang.
Use your keeper here.
And guys, one touch. So one touch will only work. Danomani. Again and again I keep telling you. Bang. Abhi bhi tune diya ye. You're getting your guy into trouble because it's going like this. Exactly what I showed you the video about. Ball comes to you, go. Give it and go. Give it and go. Okay? We are playing 99. Everyone has to be making movements. Everyone needs to make movements. Here, the runs are even more important.
Space is there.
Runs are more important because unless you make the runs, there's no chance. You saw what happened in the match. We're not going to repeat those mistakes. Why? Because we're going to get so good that raat ko agar if they fucking put a blindfold on us and we start playing, even then we'll be making runs. Okay? Up. Come together, huh? Yes. So when he wants the ball, he has to come down
And
correct.
then he can receive, and this man has to go in the space where when the
So, Karthik, so you've been in Portugal for a while.
Yes.
So there you must be having people from all part of the world.
Yeah.
है ना?
Yes.
So how good it is to interact with other cultural people and to learn about their culture. मतलब how it is.
It's nice.
हाँ.
We get to try new cuisines and all that, and we can like it's fun to talk about different cultures.
Right. And about football, let's say, it is different when you play with a Spanish guy, when you play with a French guy, or when you play in Portugal.
Not with different countries in Europe, but maybe like for example in Scandinavia, I think the players are much more physical, and so there are differences, but I don't see that much of a difference.
Okay.
There'll be big players everywhere and small players everywhere.
True. In terms of the technical abilities, so you will rate the Portugal players, where you play, the players better or here in the tournament? In terms of just technique, forget about the physical aspects.
Technical, I think I have not seen that much of Sweden and Finland, but technical, I think it's similar.
Yeah.
But I have seen very good technical players in Portugal also, and pretty good like for example that number 19 in the semi-final of the Helsinki Cup. No?
Yeah.
He was very good. So I think it's similar.
It's similar. But the only thing I think is the difference is game time. The more we play, the better we become. Yeah. But our defensive part of it is okay. But in transition, let's say when we have the ball, we are putting man up, and sometimes it happens. We want to overload the opponent, and we put our defensive players up, and in transition happens, and we concede, or there's a goal threat for us. So how, as a coach, how are you going to tackle that situation? What's your plan for that?
Simple. Both the transition movements are extremely killing. Whether it is in defensive transition, or like attacking transition. If you ask me the same question, like how we'll tackle, so simple answer for this, no. If there's a defensive transition, definitely we're gonna go for the counter press. We will not gonna let them move like even 2-3 yards only, okay? And during the attacking transition, of course, we have the style to keep our wingers wide and striker up. So out of 3, any of them, if like free, we'll directly put, and then I'll make my striker to come inside and attacking midfield. We'll try to overload one side like 3 ways.
Attacking transition, we are sorted. Defensive is the only thing we need to take care about, and you already answered it, the counter press thing. We lose the ball, go press and get it back. No matter who the player is. The nearest one goes and counter press.
In case out of my 2 centre backs, if any of my centre back is out, suppose he's going up and staying up, so my DM will remain back to cover his position as a centre back. Done, sorted out.
So now we are all set. High on energy. है भाई चेतन भाई? Energy high है? पूरी? ओए हो, राज वाइब कर रहा है. अरे यार, अगर राज वाइब कर रहा है तो ओहो भाई.
Oh my goodness.
Very good. This is gonna be very good. I'm telling you.
And from the very first whistle, Minerva showed they were ready. Match after match, they grew sharper, stronger, hungrier. Every sprint, every tackle, every goal A reminder that these boys were not just participants, they were contenders.
I'll come to Europe and I'll make sure we'll make them play long balls against us, European teams, and European teams playing low block against us. From minute one, yeah, not even like that, you know, they're 1-0 up from minute one. So if that is their plan, then we have to come up with something. And we have, so let's see how it goes today.
Yesterday I was talking about the same thing, you know, we trained for 5 months for high pressing football, how we're gonna, you know, press to the opponent, build up and all, and now it's totally different.
Yep.
So as a coach, as a owner, you know, what comes to your head when something like this happens?
I think that's what football is. You have to, football is very dynamic. You have to be able to adapt and adopt to the opposing team, to the opposing coach, to every match situation. Like in the single match, you can play low block, mid block, and high pressing. High pressing, you start it off. Suppose you get 1-0 up, then you start playing mid block. You get 2-0 up, and then you can go low block in the last 10 minutes. You know, so the same team can play 3. So you have to be ready for everything. It's not that, you know, you're only going to be able to have to play high press. We knew that this might happen, but we thought it'll happen if the other team takes a lead against us and do that. We didn't know it's going to happen from minute one. And the whole match. See, the whole point is they've understood that the match is the Goras. They've understood the match is only 20 minutes. And then if everybody says, okay, we don't want to win against this team, we just want to make sure there's no goal, it's very, very tough to break them down. Because technically, they're very, very good, okay? Doesn't matter, our intensity is very high, technically they are super because the kind of training they've been given. Even the smallest kid here to the biggest ones, very good. So, making sure that they get out of their blocks and breaking that blocks is great training for these guys because now they know that if we can break them down, we'll be able to break anyone down.
Honestly, it was amazing to watch, to be honest. Super impressed. The guys, the technical ability, the way they shoot the ball, and just how unselfish they were. I thought it was very impressive. So yeah, I loved it. Quite loved it.
Any good player you like? Any any outstanding player you like in this match?
Oh man, I mean, I'm sure. Yeah, 6 was a stud. 9, I think, was the striker.
Yeah.
I'd love to say your goalie was good, but he didn't see a lot of action. So, but he seemed good when he did.
Do you like the number 6, Tony?
6 was great, and 9 I thought stuck out to me. But I mean, there were so many good players. The right back, I thought he was good as well. So I don't know what number.
Punchibaya, he was there.
Yeah, it was good.
Hey, Raj को पहले बुलाओ. टॉप स्कोरर चल रहा है अभी कोचिया में. हल्ले हल्ले चलो गाना तो लगा दो स्पीकर का हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर राज हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. So knockouts are here. I'm sure that teams will be going low block against you guys because it already happened in Helsinki Cup. So what are your plans for this time tackling that situation? Because knockouts is all about winning the matches.
See, with a low block, what you need to do is you can only find space in the width because the block is going to be compact. So then you'll have space in the width. So we don't mind a low block. We've got PC wingers who can take the first one on and then have combination plays which we've worked a lot on. Other than that, we've also got, as we've seen in the last matches, we've got guys who can shoot from the mid and actually a centre back shooting from the mid area, and the rocket shots on the target, even deflections will go in. So the whole point is, see, they can't play low block for the whole match. Why? Because if you get one goal, after that, how can you play a low block? Because then if you play a low block, then we can actually just keep the ball with us for the whole match and not let you touch it. So once you get 1 or 2 goals, we will get space. Unless they just want to keep the score down. And in a knockout match, I really hope they just don't want to keep the score down and they really give us a fight. And any team which presses us, we love it. Talk, okay? Talk to everyone. Not this way. Talk, okay? Okay, guys, let's play. Come on.
Here. So the Minerva is, I like the team, and they did like a champions in 2023. I have good connection with the Minerva since 2023. So yeah, I'm happy to cheers you guys.
Tall one is a left-footed player. Understand? And he targets his 8 and 23, जो front players are.
In this area. Then is required. ये 1-2 बार try करना जैसे पिछली मैच में किया था हमने. But that's it. Okay?
And
Fast ping because ground है, grass है. Ping मतलब I want. Okay? Fast passing. Okay. We don't mind. See, understand. Slow passes are hit. Fast passes going wrong. I don't mind. Why counter press?
The knockouts brought tougher battles. European academies, South American rivals, the kind of opponents Indian teams rarely face.
छोटे छोटे बच्चे भी Thank you guys.
Of course, yes. 5-0. Come on, India.
Come on, India. Come on.
Any word for the boys there out there?
Of course, yes, man. All the best for quarterfinals. Woo!
Thank you. Did you like the match?
Yeah, really. It's really was.
Good pass and they're really well trained.
Good coordination.
Good luck for tomorrow.
Thank you so much.
Looking forward to see the match tomorrow.
Thank you so much. Do come in, Hayden.
Yeah, of course. We'll be there.
Thank you so much. 3 मैच 3 बैंगर. क्या सोचता है तू मारते वक्त वो शॉट? और तूने जितने शॉट मारे मेजॉरिटी गोल पे गए हैं. ऐसा कौन सा ट्रेनिंग करा तूने?
सर ने सिखाया है.
सर बोल आपको पूरा क्रेडिट करा भाई.
भाई ट्रेनिंग कराई है.
हाँ. ये वही आपके बारे में बोल रहा है.
लेकिन हमें आइडिया दे रंजीत सर ने.
वो तो है. क्या? इंडिया. As we are representing India, it's not only about Minerva. You know, first day हम ये बात कर रहे थे.
वन टच फुटबॉल खेलना है. That's all I want today. Fucking one touch football and run. One touch football and run. Will you give that to me?
Yes, sir.
Will you give that to me? Yes, sir. We will get this fucking final. We will get this final and we'll fucking smash them. That's all I need from you. One touch football. That's it. That's it. We have to show the world how good we are, man. We have fucking worked too hard for this. To every time come and fucking fail this much before the final and we know we are good. We know we are the best. Out of 2,000 teams, we are ranked number 7 in the total maximum number of scoring goals. So, जो पहली 4 है वो under 12 account नहीं करती. So we are 3rd in 2,000 teams. Understand what that means. How good you guys are.
But Minerva kept pushing. Resilience carried them through every round, and soon there was only one game left.
Oh my God, man. Just love it. I've been able to do this, man. I fucking love it, man. Just tomorrow's just one more day and we've done it for the country.
Second बार फाइनल पहुंच के कैसा लग रहा है?
अच्छा लगा है और जीतेगा फाइनल भी और सीख रहे हम.
कितना मासूम सा है ये. रिदम, how you feeling?
कल का मैच जीतना है जैसे भी. अभी खुशी मनाने से कुछ नहीं होगा. कल मैच जीतेंगे उसके बाद सेलिब्रेशन.
मैं भाई रिस्पेक्ट फॉर यू मैन. क्या बड़ी बात करता है. गुड जॉब. तो बहुत आराम से बोलता है, बहुत बड़ी बात कह जाता है. What happened here? क्या हुआ था? When अभिराज, okay, stop. ये देख, अगर तूने ये लेफ्ट से क्रॉस मारा ना, when you are going और ये राइट से मार देगा. If you are going like this and defenders are here, अगर if you cross like this, so our players are coming, tap in easy होगा ना. If you turn, this is not for Raj. Azam.
It's for everybody.
Chetan.
Especially Azam and Chetan. Because you people just go stop the ball there, वहाँ रोक लेते हो, उसके बाद फिर इस पैर से मारते हो. You fucking put it not like this, you put it like this.
ऐसे ही डालो ना ये. And our players are running. ठीक है ना? So if we get chance here, if we have 2 players only inside, put the ball. Because one in the first post, one in the second post.
That day, Mehtab के other wing पे he another wing and somebody
So
tapped in
this is for all, not for Raj only. This is all wingers. Yuhenba or anyone is going. Yuhenba मारता राइट से इधर. Yuhenba का देखा कितना फास्ट बॉल आता है उधर से. And you people scored. So when you are there, do this thing.
Today ये देखो वहाँ पे हर जगह पे क्या लिखा है. World Youth Cup, World Youth Cup, World Youth Cup, World Youth Cup. क्या मतलब World Youth Cup मतलब imagine.
देखो सामने इंडिया का फ्लैग.
Imagine World Youth Cup, India flag finals. So हम कहते हैं ना हुआ भी चैंपियंस. आज के बाद होएगा हुआ भी वर्ल्ड चैंपियन. हुआ भी वर्ल्ड चैंपियन. हुआ भी वर्ल्ड चैंपियन. हुआ भी वर्ल्ड चैंपियन. Today we become that. Today we become world champions. Come on boys, we have to show today that we are going to teach who. Today we're going to teach Argentinians some football. How to play football. Guys, they will try to be very tough. They'll foul you. They'll do all that. We don't react. We don't react. If they foul you, you fall. If they do something, let them get the cards. Remember, we've got 2 more tournaments after this. You will not be doing anything stupid and getting red cards. That's their tactic. That's what Argentinians are known for, dark arts. But we are their daddy. Because they have never faced us. Last time भी आई थी Brazil. उनकी भी पाड़ी थी. अर्जेंटीना होएगा, घर पे होएगा. बिल्ले ने अनवर अली ने ठोका था वहाँ पे. अनवर अली 2-1 पे. अर्जेंटीना को हरा चुकी है हमारे लड़के ही. ठीक है ना? तो आज हमारा दिन है और आज हम क्या करके देंगे? We are going to beat them and we're going to show our Indians that yes, India, you can be proud of you boys, proud of our footballers, not anyone else. Our boys will make you proud, India, today, because today we're going to smash, not beat, smash Argentina. Who are we? Champions! Come on, boys. Come on 3, 2, 1. India! Come on.
Minerva Academy FC versus CEF 18, a team from Argentina. A clash no one expected at the start of this journey. From India's grassroots to facing South America's finest. 40 minutes of grit, courage, and belief. And when the final whistle blew, history was made. Minerva Academy FC were crowned Gothia Cup champions. They didn't just win a cup, they won respect. They showed that an academy from India could conquer the biggest youth tournament in the world. Every cheer, every tear, every embrace, a moment that will be remembered for years to come. From Helsinki to Gothia, Minerva's rise is no longer a dream. It's a reality. But this is just the beginning, because the journey of Indian football on the world stage has only just started.